What would you do if you were me? By that I mean if you were the person who made this course, what would you do to make it better? Here's your chance. I really want to hear from you. Now, I hope you love the course as is, but nothing's perfect. I want to know if you see anything that you think is bad, needs to be changed, needs improvement. Let me know. But beyond that, beyond just looking for the negatives, I want to know, what would it take to make this an even greater experience? What would it take to make this course the best course you've ever had here on this platform or any other platform? So sound off. Believe me, I've got a pretty thick skin. So you're not going to offend me, but please give me specific things that I can do to tinker with it, tweak, change, delete some videos, upload new ones. I'm open. I want to hear from you because ultimately this course isn't about me, it's about you. What can create the best learning experience for you? So please put your thinking cap on and let me know. Post your comments right here in the Q&A section. If it's at all possible for me to make the changes, believe me, I will. I want to make this course better and better and better. Thanks.